No matter who you are or where you are from, odds are that you enjoy spending time at a beautiful lake. These landlocked bodies of water are perfect for outdoor recreation and they truly come in almost all shapes and sizes. In fact, there are over 100 million lakes covering about 4% of the Earth's surface. Lakes can be freshwater or saltwater, natural or man made. You can find them at high altitudes and at sea level. Some are little more than a pond, whereas others are so large that you cannot see opposite shoreline. Since there exists such a great diversity of lakes throughout our planet, it's only logical to wonder which ones are the largest. Take your best guess and then join us as we look at the 5 largest lakes in the world ranked by surface area. I am your host Atul and welcome to Inside Tarka. Number 1. Caspian Sea. Don't let the name confuse you. While the Caspian Sea has features of both a lake and a sea, it is often regarded as the largest lake in the world from a scientific standpoint. The Caspian Sea is classified as an endorheic basin, which means that its content don't flow to an external body of water. However, this was not always the case. Studies have revealed that 11 million years ago, the Caspian Sea was connected to the world's oceans via Black Sea, the Mediterranean Sea, and the Sea of Azov. This is why Caspian Sea is only saltwater lake on this list, while all other are freshwater. Number 2. Lake Superior. Lake Superior is the largest freshwater lake and the second largest lake in the world by surface area. This body of water was formed some 1.2 billion years ago through the North American mid-continent rift, which almost caused the North American continent to split apart. Luckily for us, the rift failed to produce an oceanic basin, instead produced a freshwater lake that we now refer to as Lake Superior. Today the lake is shared by 2 continents, Canada and US, and 3 states. It is approximately 160 miles wide and 365 miles long with average depth of 483 feet. Surprisingly enough, Lake Superior contains more water than other of 4 Great Lakes combined. Number 3. Lake Victoria. Lake Victoria is the largest lake in Africa, the largest tropical lake in the world, the second largest freshwater lake in the world, and the third largest lake in the world. It was originally referred to as Lake Nyasa until 1858 when British explorer John Hannings Speke discovered the lake and renamed it in honor of Queen Victoria. Speke holds the designation of being the first European to ever reach Lake Superior, as well as the first person to identify the lake as one of the main sources of Nile River. The lake is primarily located in Uganda and Tanzania, although small portions also reside in Kenya, Burundi, and Rwanda. There are over 3,000 islands as well as numerous reefs within Lake Victoria. Of the total water volume, approximately 80% comes with direct rainfall and 20% comes from relatively. Number 4. Lake Huron. Lake Huron is the third largest freshwater lake and fourth largest lake in the world. This body of water is home to Manitoulin Island, which is the largest freshwater lake island in the entire world. In fact, Manitoulin itself contains over 100 lakes. Lake Huron is also home to historic Maganic Island, which can be found on the maps of US. The lake was first visited by Europeans, especially the French, sometime in the 17th century. While it was originally referred to as La Mer d'Oise, the name was eventually changed to Lake Huron. Number 5. Lake Michigan is the fourth largest freshwater lake and the fifth largest lake in the world, ranked by surface area. It's also the only Great Lake to be located entirely in the USA. Oddly enough, Lake Michigan is actually connected to Lake Huron via the Straits of Mackinac on the northern end. While it technically means that the two are the same lake, they usually regarded as separate bodies of water. Thank you for watching.